Hey everyone, this is Steve from MetaSlider, which is the best way to create a powerful slideshow for your WordPress site. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the features of MetaSlider Pro, which is showing Vimeo videos in a slideshow. We have an example in front of us here. You can see the videos are playing automatically. When one ends, the slideshow moves on, and the next video starts playing automatically. This is possible with the Pro version of MetaSlider. And if you install MetaSlider and MetaSlider Pro and go to the Quick Start screen, we have a Vimeo demo that's ready to go for you. You can see what it looks like, and then you can easily replace our example videos with your own Vimeo videos. So from the Quick Start screen, you can choose Vimeo Slideshow, click the Create a Slideshow button, and we're going to preload a bunch of videos that look pretty good for you, and the slideshow will be up and running automatically. Each of the Vimeo videos is going to have several different options. You can decide to mute the video, which is generally recommended, so we have it on by default. People don't want to load up a new website and suddenly have noise playing for them. So mute is good. And one of the other benefits of having mute on by default is that it allows you to have autoplay. Normally, Chrome, Firefox, those other browsers, they ask you to choose between either sound or autoplay. They don't want you to have that sudden burst of sound when someone loads onto your website. So mute and autoplay go together, and so we enable both of those by default. There are other options to give users more control or more display over what they see with the videos too. For example, you can enable controls for the video. I will go to the front of the site and show you what those look like. We now have these buttons here and also the control bar at the bottom. These are the controls that allow the users to control the volume, the settings, to go full screen, and make other customization choices about how they view this video. Back in the admin area, you can also enable some personalization features for the video. For example, you can show the video user details. You can show their portrait. You can see those features best when you stop and pause the video. In this case, I've paused the video and you can see the user's details up there in the top left corner. Particularly on a small video, these extra controls and user features do make it look quite busy. So we do disable those by default, but they are available if you want to enable them. If you have your own videos to add, the way to get started with Vimeo videos in MetaSlider is to click Add Slide. Click Vimeo on the left side of the screen. And this gives you an idea here of the format that we want to use. We just need vimeo.com and then the number of the video. I have a Vimeo video uploaded here. The best way to get the number for each video is to look up in the URL bar and copy and paste the number up here. I'm going to grab the number of this video. I'll go back to MetaSlider and type in vimeo.com and the number of the video. It's going to give me a little preview of the video here. I'll click Add to Slideshow. And there's my video. I'm going to set this to mute and to autoplay. And I'll also make it the first video in the slide. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a bunch of different settings to control how your videos appear. For example, if your videos use a particular height or width, you can set that in the sidebar here. You can change the theme of the video. There's a bunch of different themes available. For example, we're using the outline theme at the moment. If you don't like the arrows on the left side and the right side in the middle of the slideshow, you could choose a design that has them in the top right, such as the Draxler theme, or perhaps the bottom right, such as the Retsu theme. There are others available too. I'm going to choose the Draxler option here. And after changing the theme, I'll refresh the slideshow on the front of the site, And you'll see that we now have arrows in the top right corner, and there's also a navigation option in the bottom left. Both of those can be disabled. If you go to the admin area one more time, you can choose to enable or disable those arrows, and you can also do the same for the navigation option as well. I've disabled both of them, and after saving the slideshow, I'll see what it looks like on the front of the site. And now all of that navigation option is gone. We just have a plain Vimeo slideshow. The video plays automatically, and when it's finished, it'll move on to the next one for you. So this feature is available in the Pro version of MetaSlider, along with the ability to upload videos from YouTube, also from your own WordPress media library, and from any other external source as well. MetaSlider really is the best way to create a powerful slideshow in WordPress. Even if you don't use the Pro version, there's a ton of features available in the free version. Head over to wordpress.org and grab your free copy of the MetaSlider plugin today.